Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Oberoi Lal, MD dermatologist at CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we are going to talk about atopic dermatitis, जिसे हम commonly eczema भी कहते हैं. Atopic dermatitis is a very chronic debilitating disease, बहुत disturbing होता है, बच्चों और adults दोनों में होता है. Commonly, most common symptom is excessive itching, unexplained itching, खुजली जो कि बहुत disturbing होती है. साथ में they can have dry skin, scaly skin, very red skin, itchy rashes all over the body. साथ ही में there could be scarring, oozing, infections, infected skin and scarred and pigmented skin. So ये सब कुछ बहुत ही chronic चलता है, आता है, जाता है. It can go on for many years in lot of patients. So what is it apart from the skin which bothers? Because it is so chronic, these children can have a very poor quality of life, poor quality of sleep, रात में disturbance, because of which there could be difficulty in feeding, eating well, growing up. Children can have a very disturbed milestones, उनका weight gain नहीं हो पाता है. Adults can have a lot of social issues, facing friends, fostering friendship. स्कूल में बच्चे tease कर सकते हैं, बाकी आप you are conscious to wear the kind of clothes you want to, you want to hide your skin, or public spaces में बार-बार itching करना, and then lots of visit to doctors and exposure to medicines. Everything makes this disease a very, very disturbing disease. Now what can we do for it? सबसे पहली चीज है patient education. Half the battle is won अगर आप पहचान सकते हैं कि this is what you or your loved one is suffering from. Patient education in a scientific way to understand that this is not one-off condition, ये chronic रहता है. Unfortunately बहुत सारे छोटे बच्चे as they grow up, by the time they reach their puberty, they are able to fight it off, but there are 20% of children, adults who may still have it in their adulthood. So first is patient education. Second is meticulous skin care, scientific skin care, which is very detailed. You need to understand that skin care can be tailor-made for each child, each individual, the amount of moisturization, kind of moisturization, added precautions, type of clothing, care of the environment, your surroundings is very important to make sure that the skin barrier which is weak in such patients, the skin which is dry in such patients is taken care of. And for this you need to understand it's an ongoing care. जब disease ठीक भी हो जाता है, क्योंकि chronic disease है, आप जब ठीक हो जाएंगे तो बहुत बार you lose touch और फिर से rashes आ जाते हैं. So chronic disease requires ongoing skin care, especially when the disease is not there on your body. So तभी भी जब आप ठीक हैं तो भी स्किन केयर कंटिन्यूड रहे तो बहुत बार यू आर एबल टू टाइड थ्रू इट ओवर ईयर्स. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज विजिटिंग योर डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट if you feel you're having a chronic allergy like this, so that you can be guided through your treatment. It is important to understand जिन बच्चों को या adults को atopic dermatitis या eczemas रहते हैं, they can have other allergies like stomach allergies, respiratory allergies, asthma, nasal allergies, eye allergies. So they are prone to other allergies. So a lot of times proper guidance and precautions can help you make sure that you do not suffer from other allergies, or at least you know how to take care of them. Remember, these are exciting times for atopic dermatitis. बहुत सारी नई रिसर्च चल रही है, बहुत सारी नई मॉलिक्यूल्स आ गई हैं जिन्हें FDA अप्रूवल मिल गया है. Many of them are available in India also, and we are able to offer our patients a very good quality of life, able to control this disease. So don't hesitate if you have chronic eczemas or your child or your loved one has, do not hesitate to walk to your doctor, walk to your dermatologist and get the best care. Thank you.